In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into barcodes in Google Sheets. If you want a simple way to generate scannable barcodes directly inside a spreadsheet, Google Sheets can handle it with just a few quick formatting changes. This method works especially well when you already have a list of product codes, inventory labels, or other short text values that you want to convert into code 39 barcodes. To begin, you'll first need to format your text correctly. Code 39 barcodes require an asterisk at the beginning and end of the value in order to scan properly. So instead of turning your original text directly into a barcode, you'll create a new version of it in a nearby blank cell. In that empty cell, enter a formula that adds an asterisk before and after the value from your original cell. For example, if your text is stored in cell A2, create a formula that wraps a 2 with asterisks on both sides. This is an important step because without those start and stop characters, many scanners may not recognize the barcode correctly. Once that formatted version appears in the new cell, the next step is to apply a barcode font. Click the font drop-down menu in the Google Sheets toolbar, then choose More Fonts. In the font search area, look for Libre Barcode. You'll typically see options like Libre Barcode 39 and Libre Barcode 39 Text. The standard Libre Barcode 39 font will display only the barcode itself, while Libre Barcode 39 Text usually shows the readable text underneath the barcode, which can be useful if you want both a machine-readable and human-readable version visible in the sheet. Choose the one that best fits your needs and apply it to the cells containing your formatted barcode text. After the font is applied, you'll probably notice that the barcode looks too small at first. That's completely normal. To make the barcode usable, select the new barcode cells and increase the font size. A size like 24 or 30 is often a good place to start. The goal is to make the barcode lines thick and clear enough for a scanner to read reliably. If needed, test a few different sizes, depending on your printer, screen, or scanning device. And that's it. By formatting the text with asterisks, applying a Libre barcode font, and increasing the size, you can quickly turn plain text into working barcodes right inside Google Sheets.